What if you could turn a URL into a full presentation instantly? I'll show you how to generate a presentation from a URL. First, click Import URL, then paste the link you want to use. Next, choose your settings, including number of pages, audience, language, text length, and AI model. Then click Generate. The AI will first generate an outline. You can review and adjust it based on your needs. Click Generate My Presentation. Select a template that fits your style, then click Generate again. And that's it. Your slides are automatically created in seconds. A fast and easy way to turn any URL into a structured presentation. Give it a try and start creating smarter slides with Smallppt. See you next time.